Right? Because you can hold soup in your hand, supinate. They're back there offering each other soup.
With thigh and leg is nice. Iliopsoas.
Joy, give me a leg. Which, by the way, when you guys are studying these models during lab, it drives me crazy because somebody will be sitting back there with their thing like this, and I'm like, "Who do you have a question? Have a question? I'll answer your question. I like attention."
Iliopsoas.
Iliopsos, however you guys want to say it to remember how to spell it, I do not care. The iliopsos is a few muscles that are put together into a single muscle for you guys to learn. So your iliopsos is here. Sometimes I have to remember. This is the iliopsos.
That goes to ilia.
It goes to the ilium, and it's also the sos major makes up this as well. So we call it the iliopsos.
Sartorius.
The sartorius, for some reason, everybody loves the sartorius. I don't know. This becomes like almost every student's favorite muscle. This is the sartorius.
Because it's the easiest one to see.
Yeah.
Sartorius.
Sartorius, right here.
Pectineus.
Pectineus is, you can only see this part of it right here. This little piece right here. Let me use a pointer. This is the pectineus. You guys see it?
Mm-hmm.
The pectineus is this small muscle here, and it goes to basically the pectineal line in the pelvic area. So it's going to go to the pelvis. So if you can imagine, this is somebody's leg, this is their crotch, and this is going to that pelvic area to the pectineus.
Gracilis.
The gracilis is this muscle that runs right down the middle here. This is the gracilis. This is what you strain when you strain your groin, is your gracilis.
What's a common football injury?
And then as you stroke the models, it makes you feel like a creeper. It's great. It's real fun.
It is too.
Rectus femoris.
So for these next muscles, you have a group of 4 and a group of 3. You have your quads and you have your hamstrings. How many little pigs were there?
3.
3 little pigs, right? How many wheels on a quad? 4, right? So if you have your quadriceps, your quads, that means there's 4 of them. If you have your hamstrings, ham comes from pigs, and there were 3 little pigs. Okay? So you have 3 hamstrings. So for your quads, you start with your rectus femoris here. This is the erect one that runs right down the middle, right? So that's your rectus femoris. Then you have 3 vastus muscles. You have vastus intermedius, vastus lateralis, and vastus medialis. For the vastus muscles,